This is for Ava, for her. Yeah.
Hi, everybody. Merry Christmas.
Snow,
Snow, snow, snow.
It won't be long before we'll all be there with snow.
Snow, snow. I want to wash my hands, my face and hair with snow.
Snow, I long to clear a path and lift a spade of snow.
Snow. To see a great big man entirely made of snow.
Okay, on a scale of 1 to 10, how cold are you, Ryan?
6.5.
Kit? Let me see. Let's see, Becca. How cold are you?
I would say a 7.
How I'm longing to ski through the snow.
Those
Merry
glistening
Christmas.
houses that seem to be built of snow.
Snow, oh, to see a mountain covered with a quilt of snow. What is Christmas with no snow?
No white
Merry Christmas,
Christmas
everybody.
with no
Hello, family. Merry Christmas. Merry Christmas.
We barely made it out alive.